broadcast of Falcons Today, BGSU's #1 broadcaster of current events. Today, I am joined by Haley as she discusses sports and entertainment, followed by Carly with the weather. Haley, take it away.
Thanks, Amanda. Last night in sports, University of North Carolina prevailed over Duke in the Final Four event for the NCAA tournament in New Orleans. While a Duke win was highly predicted, the Tar Heels conquered with a final score of 81-77. Duke's loss last night was bigger than basketball, with their head coach Mike Kay heading into retirement. UNC's Caleb Love was the top scorer of the game with a total of 28 points. Duke's top scorer was Paolo Banchero, and he had 20 points for the game. One of the biggest events recently in entertainment is regarding Mr. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Will Smith. Smith is facing controversy after he struck comedian Chris Rock in the face at the Oscars. This altercation began when Rock was on stage talking about Smith's wife, Jada. Rock called Jada bald-headed, which resulted in Smith going on stage and striking him. This resulted in Smith resigning from the academy, and he is still awaiting a disciplinary trial on April 18th. Now we will be going to Carly for the weather.
Thank you for that introduction, Haley. Tonight I'll be showing you the 10-day forecast for Bowling Green, Ohio. Currently the weather is mostly cloudy and in the mid-30s. Rain is supposed to enter in at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. And this week we're looking at some rain and some snow throughout. And tomorrow there's a chance for rain showers, and there's a high of what it looks like now, mid-50s. For the rest of the week, the temperature is supposed to be in the mid-50s for each day. And there's supposed to be scattered rain showers each day as well. And on Sunday, the weather is supposed to be in the mid-50s and the sun is supposed to go out. So that's something we can look forward to. All right, moving on to the deadly storms that hit the southern states this week. There were more than 24 tornadoes that swept through the south from Florida all the way up to Michigan. And alongside with those storms, there were 140,000 power outages in all of these states that left them in a blackout for quite some time. Now those communities are hoping and praying the storms stay away so that they can attempt to rebuild what they lost. See you all tomorrow night on Falcon Today. Back to you, Amanda.
Thanks, Carly. In today's news roundup, Tunisian president ends parliament despite many arguments that it was against their constitution. When he was first elected in 2019, Mr. Said's strong moves were very popular, but now many people in his country are worried about his actions. In other news, Russian President Vladimir Putin stated Friday that all unfriendly countries will start to pay for natural gas in the Russian currency rubles. This is in retaliation for Western countries' sanctions, as Mr. Putin will cut those countries off that don't pay in rubles. Both Germany and Austria began emergency planning on Wednesday in case Mr. Putin follows through with his threat of cutting off the supply. For our last bit of news, we're going to take it to the skies. Last Friday, an Airbus A380 airplane made history by completing a 3-hour flight powered by used cooking oil. This fuel is called Sustainable Aviation Fuel, or SAF. Since airplane travel causes 2 to 3% of world's greenhouse gases, airlines and plane makers are working on a way to reduce this emission. Clearly, there isn't enough used cooking oil to power the world's airplanes, but this is a step in the right direction, and one of the ways airlines hope to become carbon neutral by 2050. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us on Falcon Today, and we hope to see you all again tomorrow.